Hey guys, was back with another video. So in 3 months it's gonna be my birthday. I'm gonna turn 8, and I got from wrestling action figures. We got an early birthday present, so let's open this bad boy up. Jesus Lord. Okay, let's go with the first. So, the Dead Man from Dead Valley. Let's see. Undertaker. Oh, shoot. This thing has a lot of articulation. I've never seen a toy like this. You can, like, spin this torso around. Kind of like an Elite, because of this. Yeah. Nice Undertaker. Nice head sculpt. This is my first Goldberg, but it's basically just a basic. Nice, I'm probably going to keep this one. Yeah, most of these ones are basically basic, so a basic Braun Strowman. Nice head sculpt. It's a screaming one from like the Elite 65. Yeah. So, yeah.
Thank you very much for watching, everyone. That was sung by a guy called Nate Vickers. He has this awesome rock and roll song, Growly.
And then we have a basic again. And we have another basic. I believe this is a battle pack. Stone Cold battle pack basic.
I'm so damn handsome, I got designed twice.
Then we got Jay Talker, John Cena. My first John Cena. Respect. Earn it. We got the old school Shane McMahon. Don't know where his vest went, but the old school. It's probably somewhere in the box. AJ, the Survivor Series, I believe. He's a Elite, the first Elite in this box. Found his jacket. Yeah, Elite. There's the old school Shane McMahon's vest. It's kind of cut there. A basic Finn Balor. Basic. Really nice head sculpt. I love that. And a basic Brock Lesnar. My first Brock Lesnar. And it's really good head sculpt. Tattoo sculpt. Nice. Basic. Good articulation. And we got another old school from like the 1990. He works for Hulk Hogan. Razor. I don't know if you know him, but Razor. He was one of my favorites. We got another Finn Balor, the Talker. He doesn't work, I believe. The Demon version Talker. A lot of articulation. He can move his feet. Yeah. We got two more. The best one, my new. It's my one and only Jeff Hardy. This is the Ultimate Elite version. Yeah, baby. This is the gold. He has the American Championship belt. This thing is great. I can probably never let go of that. My only Roman Reigns, the Elite. Yeah, I believe that's. Oh yeah, it's probably 14. We just got all these. Man, so thank you for watching, everybody, and I will probably be using these for videos. So thank you for watching.